Most traders think they get liquidated because of bad entries or too much leverage. But there's another reason that can wipe you out even faster: your collateral. In the next few minutes, you'll understand what happens when your collateral is volatile, why it creates double risk, and when it can actually work in your favor, and how AI can help you manage that risk. Hi, I'm Leo. The core idea is simple. When your collateral is volatile, you're not just trading the market, your collateral is moving too. Dear traders, quick update. We have a promo code for our viewers. You can find it in the description under this video. Use the special link in the description to activate the promo code and get the bonus. Let's see how this works in practice. Let's open a trade on Margex. Imagine you deposit a token as your collateral and open a long position. At first, everything looks normal. Now the market starts moving against you. But here's what most traders don't notice. Your position is losing, and at the same time, your collateral is also dropping in value. So your margin is shrinking twice, which means your liquidation level moves closer, faster than you expect. You can be right about the trade and still get liquidated. Example, your position is down 5%. Your collateral drops another 10%. Now your liquidation level is much closer than you planned. But there's another side to this. Volatile collateral is not always bad. If your collateral moves in your favor, it can actually help your position. More margin, more flexibility, more upside. This is where AI can help, not to predict the market, but to check your risk before entering. You'll find the prompt in the description. As usual, analyze this trade: volatile collateral, trend, risk of liquidation. What are the key risks? AI can quickly point out things like you see on the screen. If the risk is too high, you skip the trade. Now you can use assets like SWI as collateral on Margex. But the key is not the asset itself, it's understanding how it changes your risk. Your trade is not just your entry and exit. It's also what you use as collateral. And that can make the difference between staying in the trade and getting liquidated early. Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. AI can help you analyze faster, but it does not make decisions for you, and it does not manage your risk. All trading decisions are your responsibility. How do you use AI in your trading? Share your ideas in the comments. If you want more trading strategies explained step by step on Margex, subscribe.